Good morning, everybody. How are you all? Hope you all are doing well and safe at your home. Hello, kids. How are you? This is Rituparna Shahadatta. Welcome back to my channel. Today's topic, I will discuss what is the topic name. The today's topic name is creativity taste drawing. What is that? You know, kids, if I will give you some of the measurement or some of the lines or any kind of shapes, you can easily draw whatever you can like by the use of these. How if I give you some of the circle, you can draw what things will make by the use of circle or by the use of rectangle. What things you what drawing you can make. Now today I will give this kind of idea. Okay, let's begin. Look what I drawn. You know now, kids, those who are regularly watching my videos, definitely you have an idea about the curves, about the lines, about the circle, right? Because previously I had made so many videos regarding the curves before I teach you the alphabets, right? Now today I will show you how to draw something what you can draw by very easily using the curves, using your shape. See, what is it? One cone, or you can say one triangle. See, if the downward is straight line, it is triangle, but I make it like curve, so it is like a cone. What I can draw? I can draw like a coconut tree. Let me show you. See, coconut, first you draw like this, then you can easily draw like this, so that it will be the leaves, right? See, you can do like this or you can shape it like this. After that, you can draw the leaves by sleeping line or the standing line. If you make inside the standing line, it's look like a leaves of the coconut tree. So you can easily draw a coconut tree with the help of this cone, right? Now you make some circles inside the coconut tree so that it's look like a coconut tree, right? Okay, next, and you can make inside some of the lines like this, curved lines, standing lines, so that it will be looking nice. Okay, next one, what is this? See, I make one square over here. Okay, this is a square, all sides are same. So if you want to make the castle like what I draw, you can easily draw. How you can draw? First you make, this is a rectangle, another rectangle you can join from here. Then from middle you join one rectangle, then the top of the this pillar you can draw one triangle. It's look like a castle, right? Now if you want to make a door, make standing line, two standing line and curve. So it is looking like a door of the castle, right? Now you can also do some of the rectangle over here, and definitely it is looking like a castle. Now you can draw some of the flag like this standing line, then you make like this, right? The third one is a chick. How you make? First draw one circle, then a big oval like this, then you make his leg. After that you make a wing. So isn't it looks like a cute chick, right? Now you can make a beak. and his head like this, right? Now, I make here one oval, then a big circle around here. This is touch with this oval. So, what I make? I make a peak. How I draw? First, you draw this one, then his eyes, his nose, then his ears. After that, tail, and it is easy to draw his leg, right? So you can make easily draw by this oval or circle, and definitely you can draw these beautiful pictures after using the shapes, curves and lines, right? Now the next one I can show you another thing. If you give some circles to your kids and you tell them, you can draw whatever is coming into your mind. Let me show you how you can draw. See, first circle you can easily draw one sun, right? We know sun is circle, so I can draw a sun by using the circle. Then next one if I make a ear, then eyes, then face, this is mouth. Okay, what is it? It's looking like a teddy bear. Now next one, if I make a ear like this, then the big eyes, then nose, then the leg. Now, what is it? Is it looking like a owl, right? Owl has a big eyes. The next one is I can make a orange. The each and every part of the orange I can make a triangle, and I can make like this, right? You can make a big. So that is looking like an orange. The next one, I can draw a beak here. I can make a eyes. Then ear like this. What is it? Isn't it like looking like a bird's face? Now, the next one, what is this? Now, if I make a shape, a face, doesn't it look like a snail? Does it just look like a snail? Now, if I give you like a card like this, then you can make easily one rat. How I make? This is the face of the rat, eyes, then now if I give you like this card, what you do? You can draw one watermelon, right? Now what is this? This is one oval. By oval, what I can make? Let me first do this one. What is this? This is a large loudspeaker. One man. I can draw a man by the use of circle. He is holding a mic, right? And he is telling something with the use of this mic, right? Now, this one, I draw only this one. What you can draw? You can draw one box. Rectangular box you can draw, right? Now, what is this? This is a curve. What you can do? You can do You can do a car. You can draw a car by the use of this, right? Yes. Okay. Then next one. Next circle. Okay. Let me show you this one. This is, I didn't finish the triangle. What you can draw? What is this? Did this look like a pencil? Then the next circle, I can draw something. What I can draw? I can draw a tortoise, right? Maybe it's not good looking, but you can draw like this. And this is zigzag. Zigzag, you can draw a mountain. So, students, now hope you will understand this, how I am making. You do practice. What is this? I can make one snowman. I can draw one snowman with the use of nose, with the use of two circles, right? Now, I can draw crab. See, by the use of circle. See, students, see how many pictures I draw for you? So many. By the use of only circle. So, you can easily draw by the use of so many circles over here. Circle, oval, so many things you can do with the use of circle. And okay, let me show you another thing. What is it? I can draw something with the use of the oval. I can do one braid by the use of this oval, right? So hope students you like my today's video. Please give like and share as much as possible and subscribe my channel. So to next day again I will come with another interesting topic. Hope you like my today's video and you can easily understand that how we can make beautiful pictures. That is called creativity test drawing. If your teachers or parents will give you some of the shapes, lines, you can easily draw this kind of pictures. Okay, so thank you very much. Thanks for watching my channel. Bye bye. Good day.